In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reduce input lag here on your PlayStation portal. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Now first, you want to stay as close to your router as possible. This will help you get the strongest connection, which obviously will directly reduce your delay while playing. Also, while you're in a game, what you can do, and we're going to use Silent Hill 2 as an example, is hit the little PlayStation portal on the left sidebar, and then from here, you can go ahead and find your resolution in here by going to max resolution, just like so. Go ahead and open that up, and once you're in here, you're going to have a few different settings on here. You're going to have max resolution, which is this high quality one, or you're going to have standard as well, as 720 is available too if you're on a previous update. Essentially, just go ahead and lower your resolution, and that'll obviously also increase responsiveness. Just keep in mind, when you do change this setting, your game will restart, so make sure that you do save your game beforehand. And you can also check your connection performance. You can just scroll down and then troubleshoot in this exact same section. Just keep that in mind. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.